Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 5.6% compared to the same day last year, reaching 44,998.01. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 3.74% compared to the same day last year, reaching 2,389.99. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by 1.46% compared to the same day last year, reaching 319.9.
Latest news.
SEC to review Bitcoin spot ETF filings and provide feedback. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, still needs to review amendments to S-1 filings. If SEC follows similar approval timeline as for October ETH futures, it will communicate the desired date for final S-1 submission to issuer and become effective within 24 to 48 hours. If SEC approves Bitcoin spot ETF on Tuesday or Wednesday this week, it will be tight. BlackRock employees say SEC likely to issue announcement this weekend due to large amount of paperwork still to be processed. Layer 1 blockchain Injective announces successful Volan upgrade on Testnet. Layer 1 blockchain Injective has successfully implemented the Volan upgrade on Testnet. The upgrade is set to undergo the largest mainnet upgrade in history. Mickey Mouse meme coin launched as Steamboat Willie enters public domain. The first ever cartoon of Mickey Mouse, Steamboat Willie, has entered the public domain. This has led to the creation of a meme coin by crypto enthusiasts. Mickey is inspired by the original Mickey Mouse character and runs on the Ethereum blockchain. The current market cap of Mickey is $6,500. Despite the YouTuber version of Mickey Mouse entering the public domain, Disney plans to continue protecting its rights in more modern versions of the character and other works still subject to copyright. January 2024's biggest video game releases. Decrypt releases top 4 anticipated video game releases for January 2024. E. Prince of Persia, The Lost Crown, available on PS5, PS4, Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and PC. R. The Last of Us Part 2 Remastered, available on PSY version. 3. Tekken 8, available on PS5, Xbox Series XS, PC. Su. Like a Dragon, Infinite Wealth expands Yakuza series with open-world action game featuring both series, leads and new locations. Ripple expert debunks common misconceptions about XRP ledger. Ripple expert Wei Win has debunked common misconceptions about the XRP ledger in a recent Twitter conversation. Win stated that the XRP ledger is decentralized and not centralized due to RippleNet's API-based operation, and that the XRP ledger protocol supports token issuance, programmable money, smart contracts, and decentralized finance applications. Wind also addressed regulatory uncertainty around XRP and stated that the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission is mostly irrelevant to the value XRP provides. Orbit Chain reveals attackers' initial funds originated from Tornado Cash. Orbit Chain has announced that the attackers' initial funds came from Tornado Cash. The attacker has reportedly sent the funds to multiple wallet addresses. Orbit Bridge suffers loss of at least 81 million due to potential vulnerability. Orbit Bridge reported losing at least 81 million due to a potential vulnerability in its centralized server. SuiMint founder Yu Xian shared this information on Twitter, stating that the loss was not necessarily due to a direct theft of private keys. Instead, the issue was related to a vulnerability in the bridge or its centralized server, which allowed the attacker to deceive private keys and sign out withdrawals. Yu Xian also mentioned that the hacker's address can be checked for more details and pointed out that the hacker had been preparing for the attack 2 days prior. Binance Market Update 2024年1月1日 Ball cryptocurrency market cap has increased by 2% to 50,000,067T, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin has been trading between $42,000 and $56 and $4,890 over the past 24 hours. Most major cryptocurrencies are mixed, with market outperformers including ALCX, KP3R, and Inch, up by 38%, 28%, and 25%, respectively. Top stories include Ripple expert debunking common misconceptions about XRP ledger, Bitcoin mining stocks outperforming tech giants, and cryptocurrency liquidations reaching 1 million in 2 hours. DYDX unlocks 33.3 million tokens worth 90 million. Foresight News reports that DYDX, a blockchain-based platform for digital asset management, has unlocked 33.3 million tokens, worth approximately 28 million, through FOM on-chain monitoring. This represents 12.34% of the circulating supply. SuiMint Inscription Marketplace launches test version. SuiMint has launched the test version of its Sui inscription trading platform, the SuiMint Inscription Marketplace. This is the first real inscription market on the Sui network, where users can mint inscriptions in text, images, or other formats based on the SORC 20 token standard. Orbit Chain warns against compensation scams. Orbit Chain issues warning about compensation claims, urging users not to participate. Company takes steps to protect users from fraud. BakerySwap announces launch of BendDAO NFT lending liquidity protocol in January 2024. BakerySwap has announced the launch of the fourth phase of its BRC20 project, the NFT lending liquidity protocol BendDAO (BDM), on January 4, 2024. The protocol has a fixed development value (FDV) of $500,000 and will only support Bake and 1cat participation. BakerySwap is a decentralized finance (DeFi) platform that enables users to swap, stake, and earn tokens through various liquidity pools. The introduction of BendDAO marks a significant milestone for BakerySwap as it continues to develop and expand its ecosystem. The platform's focus on NFT lending and borrowing demonstrates its commitment to staying at the forefront of the rapidly evolving DeFi landscape. China and US lead in global blockchain enterprises, according to DYDX Whitepaper. The China Academy of Information and Communications Technology (CAIT) has published a blockchain whitepaper (DYDX) that reveals there are currently 10,291 global blockchain enterprises. China and the US are leading the way with respective numbers of 2,802 and 2,697 enterprises. A survey conducted by the blockchain industry has revealed the top 5 domestic blockchain products with high usage rates are Fiscopos, a blockchain underlying platform by the Golden Chain Alliance, Chainmaker, Chaomon Chain, AntChain, Hyperchain, FunChain, and Superchain, Baidu Superchain.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.